I'm gonna show you how to make residual income selling quizzes online. I use ClassMarker and other few things, but ClassMarker seems to be the best one. I tried the Pro Proofs and I use Udemy also, but this one you get your money right away. Let me show you how it works. I'm gonna log into my account, and this service is free. You can upgrade, but I'm using the free service. As you can see, you can just go through here and you got tests. You see I got 2 tests. You can have a quiz bank. And you can just set up a lot of different stuff on this. But like I said, I've tried other ones, and ClassMarker is the best I've seen so far. If anybody know of any better ones, leave a comment below. So I'm gonna click on one of my quizzes. Let's look at this one. It's 150 questions. And I sell these online, so I can click on it and you can go into all the details of it. You know, how many attempts. I want them to take 4 attempts. I'm charging $39.95. You put your name, and it's a lot of different stuff, and you can edit this however you want. And like I got a 72% passing rate, so if you don't make at least a 72, it's gonna say failed. And you also have a link that you can put into your website. I'm gonna show you how I put my link into my website. As you go to my website at www.weldingandstuff.net, and then you click on courses and quizzes. And when you click on courses and quizzes, you see I got these different courses in there. So I'm gonna click on this one I told you about, 150 questions. And this is what it would look like, but I'm in the preview mode, so I won't have to pay that $40. Yeah. But it tells you different stuff about it. And then if you want to hit start, you set up with your email address. And this is paid through PayPal. So as soon as a person pay, I get my money. And they charge a 10%. So if I charge $40 for this, they charge $4 and I get $36. So you don't pay no monthly fee or anything. You just pay whenever you sell something. And that's what I like about it, because some months you may not sell anything. Some months you may do $100, $200, it depends. But this walks you through everything. It's pretty simple when somebody's purchasing and they hit continue. And as you see, it tells you the number of questions, how much time you got, tells you how many questions going to be on each page, and a 72% passing rate. So if you don't make at least a 72%, it'll say failed. And you can attempt it again like 3 or 4 other times. It depends on how I got it set up. So once they pay, this is what it would look like. And I like this because you don't have no advertising on the right or left with all this Amazon Prime and all these other insurance companies advertising. You just have your quiz. And you notice that I click continue, it wouldn't let me go any further until I answer all these questions. If you don't finish, you can save it and finish it later. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like whenever you finish the test. It'll print out you a certificate. Maybe you need this for your job, or maybe you just want it to put on your wall. But this is what it will look like. So ClassMarker is a good site to sell quizzes on. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.